adjust my mirrors.
I got an idea. You know what I can do?
But
These barrels are used. Can you fill up from the barrels of oil, of fuel?
I don't think so. It's fine. I brought the fuel truck.
Ah, fuck it. We'll load all of them.
Oh no.
Doesn't like it's costing any money or anything.
No, but we only. With some of them, we only get a limited number of them. I do have another truck here.
Okay. We got it. We go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, buddy. Don't worry. Don't worry. This is fine. This is fine. God damn it.
Now, do you think should I bring the small crane or the big crane?
I would assume the small crane.
Okay.
Actually, why did I even take this fuel? I need to fucking yeet this out of here. Oh well. That was a dumb idea. Why don't you stop me from doing this, Nathan?
I didn't know you wanted me to.
Okay, I need to make sure I don't miss the warehouse.
Wait. Wow, we need to go visit the ranch first, don't we?
Oh fuck yeah. Okay, that if we're doing hay bales, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know why
Wait,
my mind.
can you load up hay bales from the warehouse? Were they there?
No, I thought we were doing something else. I'm sorry. Oh, the British Bake Off. That guy, Mr. Blunt is in that fucking show. What's his name? Or he was. Oh, what's his name?
The guy from Polar?
Yeah, the guy from Polar. You know, like the British guy?
Mm-hmm.
He was in Great British Bake Off, and he was also in Little Britain. He played.
Oh my lord.
He played an Indian girl, a person from Pakistan, a black woman, blackface, and a bunch of other shit, and a Japanese girl. There's no coffee. God damn that show, oh boy.
You're telling me a crab ran this goon?
Something a cab gooned this rag. Oh no. Mary McCheese, you left. When will Snowrunners add lot lizards?
Oh lord.
I guess that's more of Euro Truck Simulator game or American Truck Simulator.
I don't doubt they're not out here.
Well, I mean, different type of beaver.
Oh lord.
Oh, fuck. It's like the fucking shitty map. Oh. It is like the fucking mission from fucking My Summer Car. That no one does because it's horrible. Fill me up. Damn, I got 4 viewers. What the fuck's happening? Oh, I got enough followers to start scamming people. Let's go.
Yeah.
$5.99. Subscribe, guys. But I can't do that. I would have to pay taxes on that. Which is just wrong.
Paying taxes? I agree.
Yeah, right? What has the government ever given me except for roads, schooling, and the water?
Government never gave me no woman.
Okay. This actually is not that hard of a mission, I don't think.
Oh.
It's just open roads. But you know, I'm not very good at driving in a straight line, so we'll see what happens. And if we fail, I could say, oh, hey. Oh, someone did it. Someone's crushed a man's pumpkins. Okay, let's screw this sign.
Joe, you think I can do the overtake on him?
Sorry, I haven't been paying attention here.
Oh, you don't need to. All you need to know is that guy in front of me, slow. I'm fast.
Starting to look that way.
He's driving kind of erratic. Oh, Jesus Christ.
You want to overtake me, buddy? Go ahead and try.
I always talk about how don't they say weed isn't addictive, but
That's
I
bullshit.
mean I don't know if that applies to helping you get to sleep.
Most people who most people who say that
You're such a bastard. Oh my god.
who, me?
Yeah.
What did I do?
I'm trying to get around you and you keep fucking cutting in.
It's time for a nice, trucker break. My question, honestly, is... Oh, okay, you can get out. Okay, I was like, how the fuck do I... If you're behind me. But yeah, no,
Reefer madness.
Chief Reef.
Maybe I'll take some Sour Patch Kids to get to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh,
My recommendation: start huffing Fun Dip.
Remember on Always Sunny when Charlie was discussing how he gets to sleep? He's like, he eats a bunch of cat food and then huffs glue, and then he starts to feel really sick and tired, and he can go to sleep.
Jeez.
I do.
Maybe you should try
That's
that and report back to us. But don't
Yeah,
actually
I
do
just-
that.
And then I huff glue, and then I just start feeling really sick
Yeah,
and tired.
we don't
and
need
I
your
lie down.
findings.
Actually, now I'm going to do it to help Nathan. I'm going to give him a video.
Oh. My bad. I was on the wrong side of the road to be in my.
Honestly, I just saw you and I wanted to hit you.
Look at those graphics.
Whoa.
Pretty good.
For Snowrunners?
Yeah.
Talking about the decals on my truck.
Or just
Yeah.
yeah, is it?
Talking about
They
the
got
foggy smoke and the smoky mist.